This is the exact roadmap I'm using to get into cybersecurity. No degree, no boot camp. I'm going to walk you through all 5 stages in order so you're not guessing what to learn next. Most beginners waste their first 3 months bouncing between random YouTube tutorials with no order to them. A networking video here, a hacking tool there, and it doesn't stick because there's no structure underneath it. So before we get into the 5 stages, here's the one rule. Don't skip ahead. Each stage is built on the one before it. If you rush to certifications before you understand networking basics, you'll be memorizing answers instead of understanding them, and that catches up to you in interviews. Stage 1 is foundations, and this is the stage people skip the most, which is a mistake. You need 3 things here: basic networking, basic Linux, and basic operating system concepts. Learn what an IP address actually is, how a request travels from your laptop to a website and back, how Linux works, and how to use the terminal comfortably. You should also understand things like file permissions, processes, and how an operating system functions. This stage should take around 4 to 8 weeks if you're studying a few hours each week. It might feel a little boring, and that's completely normal. It's the unglamorous stage nobody posts about, but skipping it is one of the biggest reasons people quit later because they never built strong fundamentals. Stage 1 takes around 4 to 8 weeks. Don't rush it. Stage 2 is hands-on practice, and this is where things start getting fun. Once your fundamentals are solid, get onto a platform like TryHackMe. It has a structured beginner path that assumes zero experience and walks you through your first real exercises. This is also the perfect time to build a simple home lab. Even a couple of virtual machines running on your existing laptop is enough to get started. The goal isn't to be good right away. The goal is to get comfortable being confused and learning how to work through problems because that's exactly what a real cybersecurity job feels like. Stage 3 is your first certification. For most people starting from zero, that's CompTIA Security Plus. It's broad, respected by many entry-level employers, and gives you a structured syllabus to study from. It also reinforces everything you learned in the first 2 stages. You don't need 5 certifications to land an interview. One solid certification, combined with real practical skills, is much more valuable. Stage 4 is your portfolio, and this is the stage most beginners completely ignore, which is exactly why it makes you stand out. Write about the CTF rooms you complete. Document your home lab. Share your projects publicly on GitHub or a simple blog. A certificate proves you passed an exam, but a portfolio proves you can solve problems, explain your thinking, and apply what you've learned. That's a much stronger signal to employers. Stage 5 is applying and networking. I'll be honest, this stage is challenging because the entry-level cybersecurity market is competitive. But 2 things make a huge difference. First, apply consistently instead of sending dozens of applications in one day and then giving up. Second, become part of the cybersecurity community. Comment on posts, join communities like the Try Hack Me Discord server, and stay active. Many entry-level opportunities happen because someone notices your work before you ever submit an application. So let's recap. Start with strong foundations, then move on to hands-on practice with platforms like TryHackMe and a home lab. After that, earn your first certification, ideally CompTIA Security Plus. Build a portfolio that proves your skills. Finally, apply consistently and engage with the cybersecurity community. That's the complete roadmap. I'm going through every one of these stages on this channel, starting from zero. So if you want to watch the entire journey instead of just hearing about it, you're in the right place. In the next video, I'll answer one of the biggest questions beginners ask. Do you actually need a degree to get into cybersecurity? I'll give you the honest answer, so check out the next video.